Okay, I'm going to show you 3 possibilities for an introduction and then 2 for the ending for Fly Me to the Moon. The first one I like to use is an A minor chord, and then I play a D triad over an E in the bass. Okay, it's just 2 chords. So it's, I play E, there's a A minor chord, A in the bass, E, A, C, and then I just come down here to D, F sharp and A, and I jump down to E. This is a 4 chord over a 5 chord. And then the rhythm I use is this. I play A minor, let's see. So it's kind of a cha-cha. And you can arpeggiate that chord too if you want. Something like that. And you can do any variation of that, but the principle is that it's an A minor triad, and then it's a D major chord over an E in the bass. Okay, that's the first one. The second ending introduction you can use, it's called a 2-5-1, and then you go to the 5 chord. So we're in the key of C, right? So we're going to play a D minor, that's your 2 chord, and then a G7, and then a C major 7, and then we're going to go up to an E, E7. Okay, so your chord in the left hand is going to be D, F, A, C, then you're going to go D, F, G, B, and then C, E, G, B, and then an E7. E, G sharp, B, D. And what I'm going to do, it's going to sound like this. This is kind of for a slower introduction. I'm going to play. And then go into the song. Okay? So what did I do? I played D minor 7 in the left hand. And I'm going to play just this little scale starting on F, and when I get up to E, I'm going to change my left hand to a G7 chord, and then I play C for your melody, and then E7, and then I go into my song. So that introduction would sound like this. And then go into the song. The third one is same chords in the left hand, but this time the melody is gonna sound like this. So it's gonna play D minor 7 chord, okay, and what I'm doing is I'm arpeggiating F major 7 chord, and then going back up to E, and then ending on C. So those are 3 introductions you can use. For an ending, I'm going to show you 2 endings. The Basie ending, Count Basie ending, he made this famous. And the other one is kind of a classic jazz ending too. So I'm ending the song. That's how it sounds. So what am I playing? I'm playing a C. I'm playing a C octave. I'll put it down here. C octave with an E. I'm keeping the C here and playing D and F. And then I'm playing D sharp and F sharp. So I'm playing all with my 1 and my 2. And I'm playing a C on top of it. And the rhythm sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if you want to add a left hand, Actually, you can just play it by itself. And I'm just hitting the G and the C. So it sounds like this. That's the count basie ending, one variation of it. And then the other ending sounds like this. You can play it down here. And all it is I'm playing G, A, B, C. Remember the Mickey Mouse song? Mickey, 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 Mickey. So G, A, C, E. And then I'm playing a C chord. I'm playing a C with an A. That's called a C6 chord. So the ending with something like that. Okay, those are 3 introductions and 2 endings for you.